Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. West Indies captain Craig Brathwaite is calling for more test matches to help players be more consistent on the international stage. The Caribbean team, which lost by 10 wickets to Australia in the first test last Friday, had not played a test match since July 2023 when they lost a two-match series 1-0 to India in the Caribbean. The 31-year-old Brathwaite says this is an area that needs to be addressed immediately.
Playing test cricket, we need to play a lot more games. So like last year we played 6 games. Even if we play 6 in a year, I pretty much won't mind if these 6 games are back-to-back series, because I think you got to play to learn, and it's hard for a guy to play. Let's say if he fails or he succeeds, whichever it is, but then your next test match is 6 months away. So it's pretty hard to really learn as a batsman, because I think you learn as you're out there playing and experiencing what it is, what world-class bowlers, what world-class batsmen do. Yeah, so I think we need a lot more test cricket.
The opening batsman did, however, point out that this year could signal a change from the last 12 months for the Caribbean team.
This year is pretty good for us, to be honest. 9 games, which is great for us. We have first-class cricket when we go back, so it's a good year. But I just think generally the more games we can play, plus obviously funding, would be great. But I think we need to play more cricket for us guys to gain that experience, then to go on and continuously, perform against world-class players.
The second and final test against Australia, a day night affair, bowls off on Wednesday evening Jamaica time in Brisbane. Campion College and Immaculate Conception took the boys and girls titles, dethroning Woolmer's boys and Campion's girls at the Issa High School swim meet. Campion's boys tallied 370 points to Woolmer's 310.5, with Jamaica College finishing third with 268.5 points. On the girls' side, Immaculate scored 453 points to Campion College's 262, with St Andrew High ending third with 213. Co-captain of Immaculate, Christania Shirley, was the high point scorer in the 15 to 16 age group with 36 points.
Yes, I'm proud of all of them. They've been going to training at the pool at Immaculate. We've been training hard, having camp, and they've been doing good.
Now, Cavalier could return to the top of the Ray and Neville Jamaica Premier League standings with a win over Tivoli Gardens at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex today. Cavalier are on a 6-match winning streak and could move to 33 points with another victory, while a win for Tivoli Gardens would make it 3 wins from their last 4 outings. That match kicks off at 5 p.m. In the late encounter at the same venue, home team Arnett Gardens will oppose Malines United. The Junglists are in 5th position with 27 points. That match kicks off at 7:30. In the day's other encounter, Montego Bay United host Waterhouse at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. Waterhouse are in 7th on 19 points, while Mabay are just a point behind the Jerusalem-based team in 9th. A Jamaican international, Khadija Shaw, scored a hat-trick in leading Manchester City to a come-from-behind 5-1 win over Liverpool in the Women's Super League in England. Liverpool women went ahead in the 15th minute through Taylor Hines, but an own goal from Gemma Bonner under pressure from Shaw pulled the Blues women level just 4 minutes later. And Shaw then sent the Citizens ahead with her first goal after 32 minutes. And after 7 minutes into first half added time, she was on hand to add to her tally with City's third. She completed her 3rd hat-trick in her last 4 games, and with their 12th goal of the season with a cheeky finish in the 56th minute to put City 4-1 up. Chloe Kelly then wrapped up City's win by converting a 78th minute penalty. City are now 2nd in the standings on 25 points. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane?
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.